as an excellent treatment for skin conditions such as burns and eczema. It can also be taken internally, so it is just as useful for internal epithelial tissue as it is for the skin. For example, mouth and stomach ulcers, nasal and sinuses, bowels, lungs, and genital tracts. It has been used to treat a variety of different conditions, from inflammation to bug bites. It may also improve memory and treat diarrhea, intestinal parasites, fevers, and skin infections. It may also help regulate menstrual cycle, stimulate the immune system, and lower the uric acid content that is responsible for arthritis and gout. Aside from being used in cooking, coriander leaves and seeds strengthen the stomach, reduce fever, and lower cholesterol levels. It also contains powerful antioxidants that protect the body from the damage caused by free radicals. It is used for centuries to treat jaundice and the yellowing of the skin that comes with liver dysfunction, cirrhosis, hepatitis, and liver disease. It also used to treat infections, swelling, water retention, breast problem, gallbladder problems, pneumonia, and viruses. Its antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and analgesic property have been used over the centuries for cosmetic and dental use, to ward off insects, and to treat a wide range of respiratory problems, such as coughs and colds, and even relieving the symptoms of asthma, bronchitis, and sinusitis. Rich in phytoestrogens, it is often used for colic, wind, irritable bowel, kidneys, spleen, liver, lungs, suppressing appetite, breast enlargement, promoting menstruation, improving digestive system, milk flow, and increasing urine flow. It also commonly used to treat amenorrhea, angina, asthma, anxiety, depression, heartburn, water retention, lower blood pressure, boosts libido, respiratory congestion, coughs, and has been indicated for high blood pressure and to boost sexual desire. It listed by some as useful in the treatment of anemia, cancer, depression, diabetes, fatigue, hypertension, insomnia, shock, effects of radiation, effects of morphine and cocaine use, environmental, physical, and mental stress, and chronic illness. It has been said to act as stimulant, promote endurance, increase life expectancy, relax the nervous system, improve mental awareness, and lower cholesterol, etc. It comes in many different varieties. It contains a high level of vitamin SB1, B2, and it B12. Helps maintain normal cardiac rhythm, nerve functions, and red blood cells production, and great for treating osteoporosis. If you want to shed some weight, munch a handful of hazelnuts instead of high-calorie food. Iodine, which can be found in iodized salt, is important for thyroid function, which produces hormones that regulate the metabolism and support. It regulates both physical and mental growth, so it's important for children. Extracts and essential oils from juniper berries. Scales contain Terpenon, 4-OL, a compound that stimulates the kidneys and act as diuretic. It is helpful. Treatment for upset stomach, heartburn, flatulence, bloating, loss of appetite, gastrointestinal infections, and intestinal worms. The antiseptic properties disinfect the urinary tract to provide treatment and relief for conditions like urinary tract infections, urethritis, kidney stones, and bladder stones. It is the #1 herb for supplementing iodine.as a natural diuretic. It cleans out the system and assists in shedding water and the toxins in the system. It is also used for strengthening nails, stimulate hair growth, or adequate women's daily vitamin. Lavender oil is a healthy alternative to prescription medication to treat depression and anxiety disorders. It be applied to burns for smaller and almost no scarring. It is used to treat menstrual cramps, abdominal pain, abdominal bloating and gas, nausea and indigestion, coughs, asthma, loss of appetite, vomiting, and diarrhea. It is used to treat skin ailments such as dry or itchy skin, dermatitis, scalp conditions such as psoriasis and lice. It has been used for the treatment of chronic candidiasis, indigestion, heartburn, and low stomach acidity. It is a common remedy for common cold and for coughing symptoms. It is also used as an agent that reduces inflammation of the mouth or throat. It can also ease symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, menstrual cramps, and nausea, as it acts as muscle relaxer that reduces pain. It may significantly reduce hot flashes in menopausal women, block enzymes thought to contribute to prostate cancer. In men, lower the levels of bad low-density lipoprotein, cholesterol LDL, and raise the levels of good high-density lipoprotein HDL. It has antioxidants that are believed to reduce the risk of getting cancer, heart disease, and premature blindness. Due to the essential oil, the herb contains bronchial, antispasmodic, and expectorant properties, which makes it quite useful in treatment of chronic bronchitis, upper respiratory tract inflammation, and whooping cough. It also contains terpenoids that is well known for battling cancer. It has been widely used as a diuretic, astringent, and antiseptic. It is used in inflammatory diseases of the urinary tract, urethritis, cystitis, etc. It is used to treat acne associated with menstrual cycle, amenorrhea, catarrh, colic, diarrhea, dysmenorrhea, dyspepsia, endometriosis, female infertility, fever, fibrocystic breast disease, headache, hemicrania, hemorrhoids, menopause, menorrhagia, nausea, and premenstrual syndrome. It increases the count of red blood cells, improves blood pressure, increases metabolism, and cleanses the body. Its essential oil may have relaxation effects for controlling hypertension, and increase in alertness and attentiveness. Zinc from this food is needed to accelerate chemical changes in about 100 enzymes. It also aids in protein synthesis and wound healing. It also helps people smell and taste properly. Disclaimer: information is based on research from the internet, not intended to treat or cure. Ask your GP for diagnosis or treatment.